Wait. Don't skip. This is me in real life.
Hi. How are you?
English? Where are you?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See? It's easy. Just use simple English.
Oh, I didn't die.
Start with hi and keep it simple.
Try it today.
Do you feel shy speaking English to strangers?
Today, we will help you speak easily, without fear. Alice, yesterday, a stranger talked to me.
Oh, nice. What happened?
I panicked.
You panicked?
Yes, my brain said, run.
Did you run?
No, but inside, I ran very fast.
What did the person say?
He said, hi, how are you?
That's easy.
Not for my brain.
Don't worry. Today, we will practice together. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's good. What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alice.
Where are you from?
I am from Nigeria.
Oh, nice. What do you do?
I am a student.
That's great. What do you study?
I study English.
That's perfect.
Yes, I want to speak better.
You are doing well.
Thank you.
Let's try another situation. Excuse me, can I sit here?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is free.
Great.
Are you waiting for someone?
No, I am alone.
Oh, okay.
Where are you going?
I am going to work.
Nice. What do you do?
I work in an office.
That's interesting.
What about you?
I am a teacher.
Wow, that's nice.
Thank you.
Do you come here often?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too.
Good. Now you're talking like a pro.
I feel more confident now.
Now listen and repeat.
Hi.
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 Hello.
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 How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
My name is Alex.
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alice.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Nigeria.
I am from Nigeria.
I am from Nigeria.
What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student.
I am a student.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
Is this seat free?
Is this seat free?
Is this seat free?
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Are you waiting for someone?
Are you waiting for someone?
Are you waiting for someone?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
What about you?
What about you?
What about you?
Let's do a longer conversation. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Where are you from?
I am from the UK.
Oh, nice. I am from Nigeria.
That's great. What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like it very much.
That's good.
What about you?
I am a teacher.
Nice.
Thank you.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Now, slow version. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I feel better now.
Good. Remember,
Small English is okay.
you don't need big words.
Just speak.
Even if you feel shy,
Just start with hi.
and smile.
Next time a stranger talks to you,
Don't run.
stay calm and speak.
And don't forget to subscribe.
For more easy English every day.
Practice every day.
And speak with confidence.
Bye.
Bye.